what could we do to help you with your Wi-Fi network? So Ekahau is a market-leading Wi-Fi tools provider aiming to help you with designing your Wi-Fi network, optimizing your Wi-Fi network, and securing your Wi-Fi network. When we talk about design, it's a design of brand new Wi-Fi networks. You can do that. We can modify your design of existing Wi-Fi network or simulate rip and replace scenarios. Like think about having an oldish infrastructure having 100 or 1,000 access points, doesn't matter. They're old models. You have some problems and you want to simulate, if I had just replaced the old model with new one, would it have helped? And instead of just like trying it out, you can simulate it using Ekahau in a very, very sleek and easy way. Then there is the optimization flow. So optimization is extremely important because everyone has Wi-Fi network. You have Wi-Fi at home, you have Wi-Fi at work, everyone has Wi-Fi network, and you have to constantly be checking the health of your Wi-Fi network and optimize it whenever it's required. When you have a requirements change, if you have an environment change, new applications, new devices, more people, new walls, new meeting rooms, new warehouse racks, you have to optimize your Wi-Fi network. You have to think and check if it's still fit for purpose. So design happens like once every few years, right? But optimization happens all the time. So we help you out with the tools that are very easy to use, either to manually review the survey data or to automatically review the survey data. So you take your Sidekick for a walk, you walk around, and then you can use like Ekahau Optimizer, for example, to show you exactly what is wrong with your Wi-Fi network, where, and how to fix it. It's very, very easy and very, very powerful. And lastly, extremely important thing, we help you out with Wi-Fi network security. So again, everything starts with a quick walk around with Ekahau Sidekick, and we will highlight the RF interferers. These are the devices that are transmitting RF energy that are not Wi-Fi devices, but are operating on the same frequency bands and can therefore make your Wi-Fi slower, okay, or kill it completely. We'll also show you your rogue APs, interfering APs. So all the access points that are transmitting Wi-Fi signal that are not part of your corporate Wi-Fi. And they will add to the airtime utilization. They can provide an easy access to your wired network sometimes. Like it's been done before. So for example, in Vegas a few years ago, someone has hacked entire casino through a fish tank thermometer that was Wi-Fi connected and connected to wired network. They stole a database from all the casino players or something like that. It was very, very bad, and you can avoid it just by simply walking around. We will also take a look at your encryption security settings. What are you using when it comes to the security of your SSIDs? If you are using something old like web or WPA original, WPA1, we will highlight it. If you're using open, we will highlight it. So anything that is easily crackable or is really damaging the security of your Wi-Fi network, we will be able to find and show you how and where to fix it. Okay, so let's talk about Ekahau tools. Here is what we have on offer. We have three categories. We have software, we have hardware, and we have a subscription. So the software, we think about the AI Pro like as a big software that can be used to do everything you want. Ekahau AI Pro is extremely powerful, and with the addition of Ekahau AI Pro Online, where you can leverage survey data to design, redesign, modify your Wi-Fi network, this is game-changing thing, okay? So we have redefined the way how you design and troubleshoot your Wi-Fi networks. More about that in a second. So in Ekahau AI Pro Online, you can design your Wi-Fi networks, redesign, modify, simulate, rip and replace. You can live troubleshoot your Wi-Fi networks. You can use survey data to review what was wrong with your network, where it was wrong, how to fix it. You can use these tools to create reports that you share with your shareholders, with your boss, with your client. You show them how to design or how to troubleshoot, what is wrong, how to fix it. You can do automated built-in reporting, or you can use very powerful report templates that can make your reports truly yours. So if you do a lot of reports, you spend some time creating a report template, but then you reuse that with every single project and it feels the same. And you don't have to manually copy and paste anything. You take whatever you want from Ekahau AI Pro and put it into a sleek document. Then in the center, we have Ekahau Sidekick. This is Sidekick 2, second generation of market-leading, amazing, extremely fast and accurate Wi-Fi measurement device. We have Wi-Fi cards in it for scanning Wi-Fi, for checking the beacons and association frames. We have 4 of them, so it's a lot of Wi-Fi radios there. We have amazing antennas design. It's 9 custom-made antennas, custom design. All of them combined, they create this truly spherical omnidirectional pattern where it doesn't matter how you hold your sidekick, it will always perform the same. This is amazing. The battery is the biggest that you can fit into a device, so you can take it to the aeroplane. And we have USB-C port and fast charging, and it's simply amazing, okay? And also the fastest and most accurate spectrum analyzer on the market, okay? It's very, very high resolution and very fast. 50 times per second, you see what happens on all 3 frequency bands. It's mind-blowing fast, okay? So Ekahau Sidekick, we have just one hardware with everything packed into it. And then lastly, you have Ekahau Connect subscription. And that subscription is actually not too expensive. It's very good to have it because it gives you access to all the mobile applications on your phones, on your tablets. It gives you access to the cloud functionality, to Ekahau Optimizer, to Ekahau AI Pro online updates, Ekahau AI Pro updates, to collaboration tools. So you can easily create, share, modify projects between you and your team members. And also, it gives you access to Capture, Ekahau Capture on 4 channels at the same time. So I don't know about any other device that can do Wi-Fi frames capture on 4 channels at the same time. So that's Ekahau product suite. And now let's talk a little bit more about Ekahau AI Pro Online. You can probably see that I'm a little bit more, happy talking about this thing because this makes me extremely proud, okay? We have worked, especially the product team, but this is a team effort. We have worked very hard to come up with the ideas, how to create a tool that saves you so much time while adding accuracy to your Wi-Fi designs. So Ekahau AI Pro Online, it uses survey data, so you walk around with your sidekick and then you use that data to start placing new APs, removing all the access points, starting the design from scratch. In very short, you no longer have to draw walls, you no longer have to draw attenuation areas, you don't care. You just walk around your environment once and that's it. You have your survey data, you walked on both sides of all the walls, of all the racks, all attenuation areas, you've been everywhere. You've covered your space very nicely and neatly, and now we will convert this RF data into a true, very accurate building model that you can then use to either modify your existing AP's positions, existing AP's models, do rip and replace, remove all the APs, and then place new APs on the map in different positions, in the same positions. It's up to you. But you save days or weeks of work, I'm not exaggerating, because if you don't have to draw walls anymore. Not only that, you don't have any element of human error there. Assuming that you have done your Wi-Fi site survey perfectly, this data will be perfect, okay? It's perfect. So now the new generation flow that we propose that is so game-defining, game-changing, market-defining, whatever it's called, it's like exciting, it's amazing, it's new, okay? No one has done it before. We are the first on the market that we do everything starting with a survey data. So we take your Ekahau Sidekick 2 on a walk around your environment, and then you use that to optimize your Wi-Fi network or design/redesign your Wi-Fi network. So based on the survey data, you can do everything. You don't need to have PhD in Wi-Fi to fix your network anymore. You walked around once, it might have been just you or you and your colleagues. You've conquered the entire building, you have the survey data, and now Ekahau Optimizer will tell you what's wrong and how to fix it, step by step. It's very, very easy to follow. And then if you can't fix something somewhere with just a reconfiguration or changing your APs to newer models, that's where Ekahau AI Pro Online comes into play. You can redesign your network based on the RF survey data. This is huge, so please enjoy using it. Let us know how you like it, but we think this is going to change the perception of how you should do Wi-Fi optimizations and designs. This is a game changer. Alrighty. And that is what Ekahau does. That's who we are. We love you. Thank you for being here.